guys, welcome back again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We all know that, after Christmas or, you have a nice lovely piece of a cake left back and you want to just, cut a piece of nice piece of cake. But look at the Jamaican black rum fruit cake, guys. That's what you guys to see exactly what I'm talking about right here. Look at that. That is just beautiful and nice. So as you can see, this is exactly what we are talking about. So for next year, who didn't get the chance to bake their cake or late with their cake, I'm just simply saying, just keep update with Chef Ricardo right here, guys. We're gonna give you some serious recipe for 2016. So guys, as you can see, the Jamaican rum dark black fruit cake, look at the softness of it, and as you can see the way it look, this is the one which I bake, which is on the YouTube channel. So hopefully this will be a benefit for you guys in the future. So remember, coming up we have a lot of recipe gonna come back sometime this year. Next year we're gonna bake back the black cake for a birthday cake, so look forward for that recipe again. So there's a lot of tips and things coming up, guys. As you can see right here, that's the Jamaican black fruit cake, looking so lovely and nice, and as you can see, it just perfect, soak really right, and as you can see, it really just moist and really nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching the cooking show, and hopefully we looking forward for the new year for better recipe and good stuff. Thank you so much. And as I can say, after all those rush and everything after Christmas, you can sit back, relax, cut a nice piece of black fruit cake and have a nice lovely glass of Sorrel. So right here, this is the way our Chef Ricardo Sorrel look. Really nice and beautiful, and this is on the YouTube channel also. So there's a lot of tips and things is on the YouTube channel coming up very soon for 2016, which we're gonna give you a lot more stuff, guys. So enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.